Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can increase or decrease the flashlight brightness on the iPhone 13 series. So first, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, swipe down at the top right hand corner to open up the Control Center. In Control Center, touch and hold on the flashlight shortcut. Next, to increase the flashlight brightness, you can drag it all the way up to increase the brightness, or you can drag it all the way down to decrease the brightness. Or you can just simply tap on the level. At the top is the most brightest, and at the bottom is when you turn it off. Or you can decrease the brightness by tapping on level 1. And here you can see I can change the brightness by moving up and down like that. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.